Dog, turn around.
Garlic infused.
On the table.
Cookie.
Oh, I love that.
Compliments of Sifa.
Oh, your hair's so curly. Yeah, your hair's curly. Yes.
Welcome back guys to another John video. Stephen Crichton here with the After Family. Merry Christmas everyone. God bless.
Whakaalo whatu mākou, welcome back. Mawhala. We're in the we're having our Christmas. We usually have our Christmas first week of December with the family, and then on Christmas Day we usually go with our partners, families. So yeah, here we are, Eden and the Mangawhāua set up this. It looks like we're in Hawaii, but nah, we're in Auckland. Got a pool, got the boys. That's Liam. We set up all the tables. We got Vaughn, we got Atu, we got Penga. So this is what they've done. We've got hi, look at this. Ta-da! Nah, the food's getting ready to cook. We've got all the gifts here. Exciting stuff. Kids presents on the left, Secret Santa's on the right. Yeah, now this is where we are. It's good. Okie dokie. Mawhala, homo, oka, mitaki lahi, ofamase. Good. Tables are getting ready. Setup is nice. Flora, Merry Christmas. Mangawhāua Missy, mo Mangawhāua Haku. We came early. Started at 11, but we came at 10 o'clock to jump on the pool. There's that's the host. It's busy. Gus?
Hey, Gulavinaka. Welcome to Eric's Christmas Fest. See you later.
We're having a cocoa in the pool with the Mangawhāua. That's Liam. Water's freezing. But as you can see from all the training, it's sino leke leke. Yeah, we're just waiting for other people to come. Kamata hau fulu mataha, but it's just warm or gas. Yeah. Au mule Mangawhāua. So talia motolu e o mai lautolu. Okay, Filipino. We're in the spa pool now. Vela lahi e vai. Sei mamahi. Kai vela. Kai fia. Pese ni fia moto.
When we go back in that pool, it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold as me.
Yeah, we're just in the spa pool waiting. It's pretty hot, but we're happy now because it's nice and warm. If you're not doing motolo ke mau COVID, we don't want to get sick, so now we're here just chilling. Okay. This is Liam. Penga. Atu. Hey. Vaughn. Jackson.
Hi.
And Indy. Okay, ready to say koi kia? 3, 2, 1.
Koi kia!
Shot. Merry Christmas, brother.
Hey, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Oh, it's a really cool beach party you've organised here, Eden. I really appreciate it. Kids really love it. Kids really love it. I think it's you know, they love the pool, and we haven't really had this in the past few years. So really good idea. Really good idea. I love the hotel as well. It's local and it looks quite classy as well. Quite classy as well. So it's really good. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to the day. Looking at all those bain-maries, with all their you know, all the menu. Looking forward to it. That garlic steak. I think it's a garlic sirloin steak. It's going to be really nice. And the prawns, and then some chicken to top it off.
Pork ribs.
No veggies. Yeah, some pork ribs too. So looking forward to that. But they said the bar doesn't open till 1:30, so I'm slightly upset, but otherwise, nah, looking forward to it. Thanks Eden, thanks everybody. Sweet.
Hello.
Huh?
James. It's my brother James. He's been working out. Look at these arms. Master. Back to the brother Gus.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
How's the day been going so far?
Oh, good man. Seeing the kids enjoying themselves and waiting for their lovely food as well. So it's been good.
Yeah. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, hey! It's spa pool time.
It's gonna be
Prawns here. Pork spare ribs. Garlic infused sirloin steak. Nate. Look at this. Tikini. You like good. Merry Christmas, bro.
How's the footage looking? Good. Oh, sure, man. Look at the kids having a good time. Just waiting for the bar to open.
Oh.
1:30.
Is that why the words are short, eh? I will come tilt to you after lunch. Halangi, wakawalahi aho fulu ala nei, wakalahi ma Eden mo Sifa. Mai ki te tau se aho nei, ke kau whakalataha, ke atu ke kui mai mo le weki mai. Whakamonuine tau mena kai, whakamonuine tau presents, mai ki ke Philavia. Ko ingo hao, ko Yesu Kariso. Amen.
Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop.
Get the beat so damn Let's go.
Yeah,
Here we go again.
Oh, nice.
Christmas Makano. It's a very nice venue. Kita bisa ke venue, saya leleh ikan. Wah, pagi kita present.
Get banged up. Garlic and cheese, sirloin steak, chicken breast.
On the table.
Tiki!
I love that.
Compliments of Sifa.
Your hair's so curly. Yeah, your hair's curly.
Welcome back, guys, to another oh, hello. Wait, restart. Welcome back, guys, to another John video. Stephen Crichton here. With the After family. Merry Christmas to everyone. God bless.
Fakahele siaki auwe hina hakumata oh hey kualoto wa no fo poke fano na kailo e manako Niue kai toka mau ke heloto manako ke tutuli kai uka ke fifili na kai fia fano Niue ke heloto mahi hakuloto hakulupe kualele hakumata lupe